So nature just lives in the now, doesn't it? You know, the trees don't worry about the past or the future. They just exist in the present moment. And, you know, the moment, every time you notice and you pay attention, it's always now. I mean, it's obvious, but it's kind of also very interesting, almost profound. Because if you think about it, your minds are only ever interested in past and future. You never think about now. Can you just check if that's true? You don't think about now. There's nothing to think about. It just is, right? So the minds are not interested. So they're always about past and future, past and future, past and future. And yet, where does life happen? It only ever happens now. Doesn't it strike you that's a slightly problematic orientation? If life happens now and we're never here, because our minds are always in the past and future, we kind of tend to miss out on our lives a little bit.